So hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Um, so today we are here to discuss about our December month PNL structure, and here is the list of trades where I have took. Uh, um, yeah, so these are the trades which I have took over the period of month. So I have occurred almost 21 losses and 14 wins. So out of them, there are I have got a fixed stop loss on the every trade I have got. So this is the edge what I have got recently. Uh, so total PNL is showing 1335. This is the break even because approximately 3 to 400 rupees there is a STT taxes, and after that you will have some a few bucks left. Yeah, so you can see the first week I have not traded much because of some busy schedule. So I started from the second week, and regularly I was doing a trade. You can see some of the comments. I'll go and read it. So here there's a loss of 168 rupees. So the comment is I did not complete. I did the complete analysis before the trade, but still we have occurred the loss. Let's see what uh, the trade is look like. So you can see there is a lower high, lower low, and there's a lower high. Recently the trade which the initiated the made a lower high also. So once the consolidation happening, so I took initiated the trade thinking that it will go reach the recent highs and it will make a one more higher high, but from there it has reversed and hit my stop loss. That was the result here, 168 rupees. So this is how you trade your journal or journal your trades. So it's a very simple process. Okay, and you can see there's a day I see a complete green. I have not made any records on this, but I recommend everyone to do record the all their trades so they can analyze laterwards. So I can see there is a Friday, there's a one more trade. I have got a chart here, so click that. Okay, so basically there was a consolidation. It is making a triangle pattern, and I was thinking that okay, from here it will reverse and it will hit this bottom, but from here only the Bank Nifty made a breakout, and that is the reason I have made a loss of 158 rupees. So this is how it has end. And there's a one more trade here. So I have written a comment also. Right analysis, tight SL, volatility hit the SL, and price move in my direction and achieved 1:5. That's a really bad thing. So let's click on the chart and see how it looks. I think this is the trade. This is a 5-minute chart. These are all day and 4 hour, 1 hour, and this is a 5-minute chart. You can see I initiated the trade in the right way, but it hit the SL in the volatility, and it had moved into my direction and hit my target also. But apparently we have seen a loss of 161 rupees. Okay, and there's no records of any trade or trade journal here, so let's ignore that. You can see the consistency of taking losses. So this is the edge. You have to find out how much SL you want to take in each trades, so that you will aware of your losses rather than just a profit. Okay, here there's a loss of 354 rupees. This is the biggest loss in this month. So the comment was after a third trade analysis, after the third trade, days PNL reached break even. So I took a one more trade. as it seems momentum, but hit the SL and made an extra loss of 150 rupees. So basically I have taken four trades here. So the fourth also I have added the money, I mean the negative money here only. So that is the reason I've mentioned it here, 165 rupees minus. You can see the first trade was loss, second trade was the profit. So it was a break even. So I thought, okay, let's initiate a one more trade. So this is the result. I have not made any chart record. Let's see here. And there is a chart here. So first trade, I have not taken a first trade because of late, or maybe a second trade was a loss, and the third trade was 1:3 profit, and that's the reason you can see there's a 300 rupees uh, profit here. And let's see how the chart is look like. Okay, so the first trade, it was a loss, so it failed to reach the higher highs, I mean higher lows, because there was a low here. So then I waited in the 2 o'clock, nearly 2 o'clock. I saw the double top and initiated the trade and secured 1:3. So it's so simple to understand these charts when you record in a right manner. And the Friday trades were really good. The first trade was loss and the second trade was profit. Third trade was the break even, I mean 1:1. It was a scalp trading with the right psychology. And there was a holidays here, Christmas holiday, Saturday, Sunday, and Christmas. So three consecutive holidays. So I couldn't take any trades. So the next Tuesday, I have took first two trades. It was a loss, and the third trade it was a bang, 1:4. But unfortunately, I have not recorded any of the charts or analysis. But we should do it continuously, and every trade we should have a record, so that only we can analyze and will uh, learn from our mistakes. Wednesday was good because first trade I did not taken um, because of the office timings. The second trade I had a time, and see you can it was a really good analysis. I saw 15 minutes to shooting star at the resistance and secured 4:1 risk to reward to risk from this trade. Let's see how the chart look like. Let's click on that. Yes, it was a huge elephant bar. You can see this is a shooting star, and this is where I have secured my profit. So it was a quick move. So yes, so you can see there's a like 600 rupees profit. And the third trade also it was good. So the comment was a quick reversal trade after a fall, saw the support from the below, secured 2:1 from this trade. Let's see how the chart look like. Yeah, so there is a consecutive fall from here, and you can see this is a green line. It is a strong support which I have drew from the trend lines, and I saw it is taking a support from here, and I have entered the trade here. So when the breakout happened here in the triangle, so I secured a good money here. It is almost 300 rupees. So that day total was like almost 900 rupees. And the comment was I was quick in executing and moving SL after hitting my desired target. Yes, it was a really good trade. I was moving my SL. It means trailing the SL after my target is hitting. So I made a good money on this. The Thursday trades, it was a bang again. I secured like almost 1:5 risk reward. You can see the 1300 rupees. Saw the 15-minute shooting star again and secured 5:1 risk reward from this trade. Exit the trade from the uh, 0.03 Fibonacci retracement. Maybe you can see the chart from here. So the next trade was a loss, but the loss was a little higher than the usual. because of the maybe I can take a little more risk from this trade. That's the reason I made a one more trade. Yeah, so this was the first trade, the huge candle you can see. This was a 1:5, and here I made a loss. I mean, it is not recorded correctly, but you can see, you can at least figure out what is the thing. Incorrect selection of a price and PC. Okay, so this was a 21 rupees from the incorrect selection of a trade, so we should not do that. But the day was good. I was secured my profit like almost 1093 rupees from this trade from the day. And the last day of the year, that was ending with 155 rupees loss and a 9 rupees profit and a 90 rupees profit. So totally I made a loss of rupees minus 56 rupees. So the comment was unwanted trades I took and premium were not rising as expected. Finally final took place and recovered 2:1 risk reward from the trade. Okay, so I think we can remove that last one. Yeah, that's it. So this is the final result. Um I'm happy because since May 2022, uh, I'm telling like since sorry. Okay, so since May 2022, I have not seen a green month in my life. So this is the month which I have made at least break even. I'm so proud of it. So I think I'll go the monthly summary just very quickly. I've not shown like the monthly summary at all these days, but today I'll show you. So this is the monthly summary. So there are brokers here on the top: Zerodha, Fires, and Binance, Mstock. So these are the brokers which I used to trade. So I started my trading journey from March 2021. So there is no much records here. So but I have anyway made some uh, PNLs. So I just recorded here. Um, okay, so let's come to this year. You can see the huge losses here in FNO segments because of no education, proper education. I directly jumped into that options trading without any knowledge. So these are the result. So you can see the almost 33,000 rupees. No, that is a minimum. You should do a sum. So 1,15,000 rupees was the uh, cost which I have paid to learn these things. And you can see this year results. So what I'll do is from April. So I'll just hide this. So from here, I'll just make it hidden. 2022, 23 Jan, Feb. Okay. So let's make this hide. Okay. So this is the current financial year summary. You can see in the fires, I have been quite active and doing a swing trades here. So you can see the profits. It's quite significant. And Zerodha, yes, I do. I just only kept Zerodha is for the investment purpose. And Binance, you can see there is a $100 profit early this August. Other than we are not seeing any much good profits there. But let me talk about Mstock little. Mstock is a platform which gives you zero brokerage, absolutely zero brokerage, but you need to pay certain one-time charges where you will be eligible for a zero brokerage plan. Um, so it's a good one, but the platform you need to learn little bit. But you can see the even the M stock options. I've been trading this like for 6 months. I've not seen any success. only the August, sorry, not August, October month, I was about to do an break even, but there also I failed and last two trades. So that is the reason I made a 300 rupees negative that time. But last month also it was a negative of 3600 rupees. And but only this month we have achieved our break even plus some profit, secured some profits. And yeah, that's it. Overall, from my pocket, the capitals and the gains, losses are, it's listed here. So from the M stock, like it's approximately 17,000 rupees negative, and from the Binance, I'm still in profits. From the fires, I'm doing a profits so far. It's going good. And from the Zerodha, it is a huge losses. I'm still able to recover that. I'm still recovering. You can see the profits figures here. You can analyze. So this is the grand total. Suppose if I'm doing any profits here, so this is going to be a negative in the losses which you are going, you are seeing here. Yeah, that's it for all today. I think we are good to go for the new year. And one more thing, like trading journal is very important, and you have to do it by your own. Do some manual paper, pen. You can do that, but if you have a privilege to have a Excel, then it is good. You can see here I've already made my next month journal ready. um, so you can see it's a date, day, and asset, and what time I generally trade, and the PNL, and risk to reward, and yeah, that's it. And there is a notes here. If there is any important things, if you wanted to make a note, you can always do that in the notes section. um, make sure you make out every um, um, trading day accountable. So the first week you'll have 5 trading days, second week five, but in the third, fourth week you'll have a holiday coming up, that is a Republic Day, that is on January 26th. So that day we have a stock market holiday, so no need to trade that day. So I already made a holiday that day, so you'll be aware of that. All right then, so let's go to the Jan and do some money. So take care, bye bye, have a good year, have a really happy new year. Bye bye.